Introducing Brava Moldable Ring with dual action to support leakage reduction. Brava Moldable Ring shapes and protects. It's easily molded into the required shape, so it fits snugly around the stoma and seals the gap between stoma and base plate. It adheres well to the skin, even over dips, creases and folds. Brava Moldable Ring helps to keep skin healthy by protecting it against output and absorbing skin moisture. The ring is not easily broken down. It directs output away from the skin and out into the pouch, which is where it belongs. Brava Moldable Ring, dual action to support leakage reduction.